So in the past videos, we've been trying to eat like spicy stuff, but none of the things we've eaten, including the blazing wings from B-Dubs, were spicy enough to like...
Not spicy.
Not spicy. So instead, we just decided we're just going to start eating peppers. Jalapeno to start off with, because it's the most known
Jalapeno
pepper, I guess, with, minimal spice.
Hold on. Go in the camera shot, you feel me? Can y'all see that? Make sure you get the little zoom. You feel me?
Oh, yeah, I will. Just tell me to do it, then it'll happen in post. Yeah. But if these are not spicy enough, which honestly I doubt, I think they're going to be spicy enough to make us tweak. But if not, then we're going to have to up it up.
You said they're going to make us tweak?
They're going to make us tweak.
I don't know about all that. Oh, I can't even feel my lips.
But
I do think this is gonna be hotter than a typical
hotness level.
But if it's not hot enough, we'll go up.
It don't look hot.
I'm thinking Thai chili, which is like 35,000 Scoville, and this is like 2,500.
We'll see.
Y'all ready? Just kidding.
Thank you, Aldi, for providing us with the peppers.
We're not sponsored by them.
Yeah. Aldi, throw us a sponsorship.
And eat the whole thing too, Paul. I think it tastes good. Hey, you what? Oh. Chew it up. Chew it good.
Yeah, that's a trick. It doesn't hurt your stomach. Definitely hotter.
I have yet to.
And when she Bro, yeah, when I eat hot stuff, I get the hiccups. I already needed the water twice.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Whew. My instinct was to reach for water. That's actually. Come on, y'all. What you think? How's it taste? I think it tastes actually really good. I always forget what jalapenos taste like.
This was stupid.
I only ever have them pickled.
Oh my god.
I thought it would be worse.
Dude, oh my god.
Nah, no way y'all gotta get up. Oh, God.
Holy shit.
It's actually getting worse. I feel like if I just...
Dude.
I think we can go hotter. I think we can go hotter.
You killed the water?
Oh my god.
I don't know. Anyway, it tasted good.
Bust it out. Okay.
The mic is about to hear nothing but water and banging.
The milk helps.
Oh my god.
It's going away, kind of. Wow. It feels like... It low-key feels like if you had a D battery and you stuck it on your tongue, but it was like way higher voltage, and it's on your whole tongue.
Oh my god.
Mine's kind of going away.
Oh my god.
But it feels like it feels like my tongue is being like electrically shocked. What's hotter than a
No. Oh my god.
I told you.
We gotta graduate.
You don't want to turn into the Spice Guys. We might just have to mukbang next time. Close up, good food. Here's the deal I found, bro. Listen to me. Listen, focus on me. Focus on me. Kroger sushi. 5 rolls, $15. $15 each of us, we can do 5 rolls. Think about that. That's crazy. Is that not crazy? 5 rolls for $15? It's a sneak deal, bro. Kroger has a deal where you can do $5 sushi rolls, and then DoorDash has a deal where you can get $10 off at $25. Oh my gosh.
That's the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
I thought you might throw up.
No, seriously.
Don't do this. And I like jalapeno stuff. Don't do this.
I shouldn't have did that. Oh my god.
You'll be chilling.
I feel it right. I feel it like right in my chest. I'm not gonna throw up. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even feel my lips.
And we... Dude, I ate a ghost
Is that the
pepper
coldest
once.
one? Is that like...
That's the mildest pepper. It only goes up from there. I had a Thai chili once my mom gave me. I was actually bugging, bro. It was winter. I went out. I was like eating snow.
I want to eat some snow right now, dude.